Imagine hooking up your RV at the campground, turning on the tap, and getting water that smells like a swimming pool or tastes like rust. Campground water quality is wildly unpredictable, and it can ruin a trip instantly. Today's video is brought to you by Frizzlife. They reached out and sent us this product to put to the test, and we've been running it through real-world RV scenarios to see if it lives up to the hype. When I opened the package, I was impressed by the build quality. Looking at the box, you can see exactly what we're working with. The Frizzlife RV Quick Change Water Filter System Model MV99, utilizing the FZ2 cartridge type. To be honest, most standard inline hose filters don't remove a lot of heavy metals or fine particles. The MV99 is a completely different beast. The system features a dedicated heavy-duty mounting bracket and clear direction indicators for your water lines. I love the two options here. You can mount it inside a bay that is bigger, or if you don't have a big bay like we do, you can set it on the ground and use these stakes to hold it in place. The entire build is rugged and specifically built to handle bumps, outdoor exposure, and the shifting conditions of RV travel. And space matters. Specs matter when it comes to what you drink and run through your RV's plumbing. The Frizzlife MV99 boasts a 0.5 micron filtration accuracy powered by a top-tier composite activated carbon block. The MV99 is officially certified by the IAPMO R&T against NSF and ANSI standards 42 and 53. So to break it down even more, that means it's actually reducing lead, chlorine, sediments, heavy metals, bad taste, and odors. So how well does it work in the field? In our testing, the performance was outstanding. A major concern with high-efficiency 0.5 micron filters is that they destroy water pressure. Turn your RV shower into a miserable drizzle. The MV99 maintains a fast, stable flow rate. We noticed zero drop-off in pressure inside our camper when running the kitchen sink or taking a shower. The water clarity is pristine, completely stripping out harsh municipal chlorine smells and localized well water sulfur taste. Plus, it has an auto shutoff design. When it's time to replace the internal filter after 6 to 12 months of use, you don't even have to turn off the spigot. You just twist the old core out and the water automatically stops flowing at the bracket. And then twist the new FZ2 cartridge right back in. It takes literally 3 seconds. Because you only replace the inner core rather than throwing away a massive plastic housing, it's highly cost effective and cuts down on waste. If you're like me and tired of guessing what's inside your campground water supply and want a heavy-duty certified system that protects your health and your RV's plumbing, the Frizzlife MV99 is a phenomenal upgrade.